Hello everyone, my name is Hornet and this is my unboxing of Oculus Quest 2. I have 256GB version and of course the cable to connect it to PC, but these goggles can run without PC, so don't worry. But if you connect it to PC and you have good PC, you have better quality and just better stability of the video and everything. So, for short, I'm gonna tell you that specification of these goggles. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2, it has 6GB of RAM, and of course 90Hz refresh rate. It's perfect. Okay, so let's unbox it. But first, let's see the cable. Oh, cable is first. Oh, 5 meters. So long. Okay, so let's unbox it. Our goggles. Oh, my printer ran in the background. And I buy for it cleaning setup. In the shop they tell me that I can clean that goggles with it, so it's just normal.
5 minutes later.
Cleaning foam.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, after some struggle, I have that. Whoa! My mistake, sorry. And we're going to the main element.
One eternity later.
Quest 2. It's amazing, beautiful box. Here we can see it's 256GB. I need to sharp. Oh, okay, you see it. These beautiful goggles, of course from Facebook. And we can see what we can play. Yeah, Beat Saber is a good game. Everyone told me that this is the best. We will see about that. I was looking to play Phasmophobia, Blade and Sorcery, and many more. Okay. But this is unboxing and we're gonna talk about that later. Okay, let's see what's inside. How to open it. Wait a second. Oh, let me show you that. When you open it, you have sealed something like that. Whoa. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. I can show you that. It's so beautiful headset. We have a controller right here. Number 1. Number 2. Probably the cable. And the goggles. Oh, and we have a charger probably. Yes, we have a charger? No. Okay, so let's take this box to the background. Accessories. Probably it's cable, but let's see what is happening inside. Oh, it's beautiful. And yes, we have charger, but in English version. And USB Type-C. Okay, I'm gonna find some change for that because I have Polish wall black. So this might complicate things, but it's okay. I can handle it. Here we have a guide and stickers. No, like Apple, no stickers. Okay, amazing. But we want to see our babies. And what is that? What is that? Whoa, I was thinking I have an adapter. No way. No way. What? You know, I never see a thing like that. How this works. Really, I don't know how this works. Whoa. You know, I don't know even think that something like this existed. This is some... I'm gonna check it out in the internet and I wanna understand how this works. I don't know, really, I don't know how this works. I'm gonna figure out later. Okay, so you have something like that. This is probably some adapter, but it's amazing. I can tell you it's amazing. Okay, and we have controllers. Oh my god, it feels so good. You have a weight, you know, but it feels in the hand, you know. Okay, and the goggles. Oculus Quest 2 silicone cover. Oh, and I have a silicone cover inside. This is probably for the nose and everything. Yeah, okay. More lenses left on the right. And we have a sticker right here. It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay, so that was it for this video, for that crazy unboxing. If you like it, leave a like. If you don't like it, don't leave a like, or leave dislike. I don't know, leave a comment. But first I need to set up this beautiful headset. What I will play? Probably I will play Phasmophobia, Blade and Sorcery with mods of course, and you know, this is my first virtual reality goggles. I have seen like that 6 months ago, something like that. My friend have buy it for himself, but I just have see it for 50 minutes and I'll say, whoa, it's amazing. I need to buy for myself, and I buy. So thank you for your watching. Subscribe or just leave a like or dislike. Thank you, and may the force be with you. See you soon.